Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start on damp, shampooed hair because moisture lets you shape without frizz. Once you've divided hair into 1/2 to 1 inch sections, grab one section and apply a small bead of locking cream. This adds grip and hold. Now, place fingers at the root and pinch. Roll the section between your palms away from the scalp to form the core. Move steadily. Short, deliberate rolls build a tight base. Make sure to keep even tension so each lock forms uniformly across your head. Once you've formed cores, continue by rolling each lock from root to tip with consistent strokes. About 5 to 10 passes help set shape. You should vary pressure. Firmer pressure tightens mature areas, lighter pressure protects tender new growth. If a lock flares or looks uneven, pinch the base and interlock or re-roll that spot until cylindrical. Between sections, smooth with a little product and realign strands so tension remains even. This steady repetition is how uniform you finish by setting each lock. Lightly mist or wrap a warm towel for 10 to 15 minutes so the product bonds and the shape holds. Once set, check for stray hairs and trim minimal fuzz. Avoid overthinning new locks since strength comes with time. If a lock feels loose, re-roll that section and apply a tiny extra product, then set again. If frizz is the problem, deep moisturize overnight and palm roll gently in the morning to restore definition and reduce flyaways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.